Number of treatments. Well, the textbook says 3. But guess what? If you only do 3, that means you would have only had 2 sessions of before and afters. And I can tell you this much, it takes a lot. I had a patient just before I came, and I can't remember what I did on her, but, oh yeah, right. It was retexturing her skin. So she's like, I noticed my skin's softer, but I'm not really seeing that much. So I had to explain, well, remember you only did 1 treatment. And this was her 3-week checkup. So I said to her, you're going to need to come back in a week, and we'll do it again. And that's when you'll see more change. And then after we do 3 treatments, you then should be able to see a big difference from when you started to where you are now. But if you notice, the guides are saying 4 to 6 for the majority. Why is it 4 to 6? Well, 3 and 3 would be 6. And why 4 instead of 3? Well, for good measure. Okay?